Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Pandora haul that I did from a new place that's called Golden Memories. They are located in Manitoba, which is a province. It's in Canada. And I actually discovered this store through another YouTuber. Her name is Fashion Storyteller. She also buys a lot of Pandora jewelry, and I love her videos. Her channel is so amazing. Like, she's really talented with the way she puts together her videos. So I didn't even know she was in Canada until she mentioned the name Golden Memories. So I went and I googled it, and I noticed that they were in Canada, and I think they had shipped some charms to her because there was a promotion going on. So I figured I would phone and see if they would ship to me, because I was having troubles ordering from the Pandora.net site, which I'm not having that issue anymore, because I think in the future I'm gonna start ordering from Pandora.net. And so I actually started messaging them through the Facebook Messenger. Of course, I always do my research before I start ordering from a place that I don't know about. I like to make sure that they have a page on Facebook, just so I can go and see and read what people are saying, like with regards to reviews and stuff like that. And their customer service is good. I dealt with someone named Stephanie, and she was very helpful, and they had all the pieces that I wanted to get in. And I've had this package a long time before I went off on holidays, and during that time the strike was coming up, so I told them to hold it for me until I got back, because I didn't know what was gonna happen when they strike. And this was the first strike they had, and then they were fine, and now they're striking again. So I told them to hold on to it, because I didn't want my package to end up someplace and then just stalled up. I can't track it or anything like that. So they were good with that. And so yeah, it was spend $150 and you get $50 off. So that was what the promotion was. So I will kind of zoom in here and see if I can get the name. There it is, Golden Memories in Manitoba. I've never been there, but I've heard of it before. So I did go to Ontario, but I just didn't go to that part. So I will just get right into opening up this box. So that's what the inside of it looks like, and it's bubble wrapped, and they've got the Pandora wrapping or tissue papers there. They actually emailed me my receipt. They are also a jewelry store, so they sell other jewelry and Pandora, just like the other stores that I was ordering from. And so yeah, actually they did send me my receipt. It says thank you for your order, and she gave me the upcoming promotion, which was buy two get one free, and that was a while ago. And they sent it in a little booklet like this with her name, a card with her name, because it's nice to deal with somebody specific when you're doing these over the phone transactions, you know what I mean? Okay, so I had to switch batteries because that one needed charging. I hate when I'm in the middle of doing these videos and I have to stop to change the batteries. But the good thing is that I have backup batteries. Otherwise, I would have to wait like an hour for the charge up. So it's a good thing I do have other ones that I can use. So they sent me one of the cleaning cloths, which I don't have, so I'm actually pretty glad about this. That was nice of her. She didn't have any of the new books in, but that's okay. I mean, also their taxes, they've got two taxes. They have, I think, PST and some other one or something like that. Maybe I'll see it on my receipt. Yes, they've got PST and GST, so the taxes were like $13 something, so that was a little bit pricey, which I kind of didn't like, but I also got free shipping. See, these are two charms, and one is a clip and one is a dangle charm. So I'll tell you the names of these ones. One of them is the Heart of Infinity, which is this one right here, and it's two-tone. It's got a little gold heart on the back of it there. I hope you can see that. It's pretty cloudy today, and I've always been wanting to buy this one. That one was $105. It was kind of pricey, but it's actually a big charm, and there is gold in there, so that's pretty cute. And then the next one is called the Enchanted Heart, and it's a silver clip. So I've been wanting this one too for a while, and I never got around to buying it. So this is the dangly charm. I really love this one. I just wanted to show you guys up close in detail, and it's got the little heart on the back, which is the gold. Really super cute, that one. And you can also wear it on a necklace, which I like with a lot of the dangle charms. I can wear it that way, or you wear it on your bracelet, whichever way you want to. Okay, and this is the enchanted clip. I think this is newer. Was it summer this year? I think it did come out as part of the summer collection, and it opens up from the bottom. First, I couldn't figure out how to do it, but clips are always nice to have. They keep your other charms in place, which I like. I like the little detailing on there, kind of looks vintagey, sort of. I got the heart clip one free because it was 50 bucks, and the sale was when you spend $150 you get $50 off. So I just paid for the Heart of Infinity one, and I got the clip free. Okay, so that was my little video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I just wanted to share my two Pandora charms that I got from Golden Memories, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you have the same charms, and you know, if you really like them. Obviously you would if you bought them, but let me know if you wear them on a necklace or just on a bracelet, and how you wear them. And yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you soon. Take care.